And we're back with another episode of Tasting with H and H, and we have our official taster, Hayden. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. And today we have one of Hayden's favorite meals. So we're going to save your favorite one for the side because I know how you feel about it, but I want you to tell people about it. But I want you to, we're going to start with the one that's not so much your favorite. Today we are tasting Brussels sprouts. Dab on them. So, on your left-hand side, you have roasted roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon bits and onions, and then on the right-hand side, you have our Greene family recipe of fried Brussels sprouts. Right? Yes, I know. You already like that. Well, so let's start with the bacon Brussels sprouts and taste those. Take a small bite and tell me what you taste and how you like it.
How small do I need?
It's just take a bite so you could talk after you've make sure you get some onions, some bacon, and some Brussels sprouts all in one day. Yeah, that's a good. How do we think about that? What are you tasting?
Bacon,
onion. The bacon, the onion. Do you like it? Is it flavorful? Like, tell me some more. Oh, you got thumbs up on that. So, thumbs up to the Brussels sprouts.
Do I get to eat more of this?
Yes, you can. Well, let's taste the other one, and then you can tell me what the difference of the two is. So, taste now you're going to taste the fried Brussels sprouts. See what you got there. What's this face about? Do you love it? Do you like it?
Can I get a Googleplex thumbs up?
A Googleplex thumbs up. And for those of you who don't know what a Googleplex is, it's like infinity plus one. So you really like this. Why do you like this one? What about this do you like?
It's fried. I eat
it. You like fried food? All right. What else about the flavors? What flavors are in those fried Brussels sprouts that you like?
Brussels sprouts.
All right. We had to cut away from Hayden because she ate all her Brussels sprouts, and but we gave some to Auntie Fredara Hadley, Dr. Fredara Hadley, and I think it might be life changing. Fredara, you wanna?
Yes. My birthday is in almost 3 months, and my request is that I get fried Brussels sprouts and the bacon Brussels sprouts, which are no longer here because I ate them. And shout out to Hayden Camille, who set it up perfectly and made them look so delicious that I requested both. And one is already gone. And the only reason there is this little bit of the fried Brussels sprouts left is because Hayden asked me to slow down. And so I have some left to show you that I'm actually eating them.
What do you think about?
I think they're amazing. Thank you for asking. And I am a Brussels sprout person. But when I saw the fried Brussels sprouts come out and they were shredded, that threw me for a loop. I did not anticipate that. I was envisioning like tempura Brussels sprouts or something, some nonsense like that. This is fire. The texture, the taste, I'm in.
All right. Well, you've been here with Tasting with H and H Hadley. So
special guest
for their Hadley.